Okay, let's find the missing angles. There are 4 of them. Our first big hint is that we have 2 parallel lines. We also have some vertical angles, lots of vertical angles to use. And we have 2 little old triangles here. So, what's the easiest? Well, probably the easiest to start with is that one because it's vertical to the other one. And then I want you to notice that up here we have 3 angles that form a straight line. So the sum of those angles will have to be 180. I'm going to call the missing one x, and I know that 26 plus 83 plus x equals 180. 109 plus x equals 180. So x equals 71, I think. 71. This is 71. Hey! This one down here would be 71. I don't know if we'll need that, but I'm going to write it down anyway. That's alternate exterior angles. What else is interesting in here? Actually, you know what's interesting? There's a whole lot of ways you can do this, but I notice this right now. I notice that these 2 angles are a linear pair, and so they have a sum of 180 degrees. Well, what's 180 minus 130? 50. Why do I care about this angle right here? Because, notice these 2 are vertical, so they're congruent. I have 2 out of 3 angles from this triangle. Let's call this one theta, and then I'm going to use the triangle angle sum theorem. 50 plus 71 plus theta equals 180. 121 plus theta equals 180. So theta is 59. This and this are vertical. That makes this one also 59 degrees. Okay, I've got every one except this guy over here. How am I going to find that guy? Got it. This angle right here is congruent to this angle right here because they are alternate exterior angles. So this is 59, and then this would be whatever 180 minus 59 is. Those are a linear pair. Well, I already figured out what 180 minus 59 is. That's 121. And I'm done.